So today's gala is we're going to where? Crema.
Which means cream.
Okay, cream. It's just 45 minutes from here. So this is my fit check. Yeah. So guys, nandito na kami sa Crema. Tapos ito, may oratorio dito. Dito lang kami nag-park sa tabi ng Duomo ng Cathedral. So let's go! Ito ang closer look ng Cathedral of Crema. So may nakita rin ako mga tourist din yata. Ito mga nagpipicture. Ayan si Kuya. Pinipicturean yung cathedral. Maganda siya sa labas. Yan ang details. Yan. So come with us today to explore the city of Crema in the province of Cremona. Picture tayo. Video with the cathedral. Si Amore nandun. Nasa may oratorio. Meron din dito may playground para sa mga bata. Just next to the oratorio. So, ayan. Hintay ko lang si Amore dito. Maaraw ngayon, pero malamig. So, ito pala ang Basilica Santa Maria de la Croce. Dito kami sa may likod na. Lakad-lakad muna kami. It's Sunday morning, by the way. Ang dami mga tao. Nagsisimba. Kita nyo. Ayan siya. Mga tao.
You can go inside 1 second to see her.
Pasok daw kami, sabi ni Amore. Mabene. Ayan, pasok kami. Ano makita namin inside? Merong baptism ngayon, kaya hindi makabisa. So, to go in the center, like 30 minutes by walk. So, magka-car na lang kami. Kukunin ulit namin yung sasakyan. At magpa-park na lang doon sa city center. Malayo-layo yung lakarin. Ito, lakad na naman kami guys. Nakapag-park na kami doon sa dulo doon. Tapos, ewan ko ay dapat yung papapitaro sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo dadalhin nito. Ayan siya. So, unahan. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Like, it's cold but it's so sunny. So nice. Ayan, dito tayo dinala ni Davide. So, it's still the wall of the Venetian. Le Antiche Mura Veneti. So, it's written here, nel Rinascimento la città di Crema era una delle maggiori fortezze della penisola. So, it was constructed during the period of Carolingio Ottoniano. During 1160. So, here it is. Let me show you the wall. This are the walls around. And we can go in. Wait. Medyo more or less pareho siya nung nasa Bergamo, Citalta. Madulas kasi nagyelo. May yelo pa nga yung mga damo. Dahan-dahan tayo dahil nakatakong tayo. Naka-boots pa. Ayan. Diba? Kahit saan ka magpunta dito sa Italy, like really, siya, yung na-preserve talaga nila. Look at it. You see that? Against the light? Ayan. Kita nyo. Talagang, medieval period pa. Kitang-kita nyo, na-preserve nila. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? May harang eh. Mga pa doon. Diba? Mga sa sinaunang panahon pa yan. Rocks din dito. So, balik na tayo. Since Sunday today, walang bayad yung parking nila. Nandito na kami sa centro storico nila ng Crema. So, we're heading to
Centro storico. La
what's-
cathedral.
Cathedral
Duomo.
of... What's the name of the cathedral?
Boh, kailangan ko yun.
I'll see later. Nalimutan ko na. So, ito yung mga dadaanan namin. May Venetian walls din dito. Nandito na kami. Sa pinakang center nila. It's nice. Ito na tayo sa ano. Ito na ang simbahan. Yan yung Christmas tree nila. I think this is their comune with the flags. And this is their cathedral here in the center. So, itong church na to is Chiesa Catedrale Santa Maria Assunta. So, ayan. Ito yung loob niya. Pasok tayo. Sa loob. So, ito yung presbyterio nila. Galing tayo dyan, yan yung ano, cathedral. So, punta naman tayo dito sa kabilang side. So, guys, we're here now. Mag-aperitibo kami. So, I'm a bit hungry, that's why.
Ne devam giusto.
So, here is our food. Facciamo cin-cin, amore. Cin. Cin. Aperitivo at crema. So, guys, this is what we paid for. Okay, nakatapos na kami mag-aperitivo. It's like brunch. But Tabit had said I opened his
Open my
stomach.
stomach.
So, ayan.
I
Christmas
have a big
vibes pa din
stomach,
dito. Shopping street here in Crema.
Okay, just one second. We go to the museum.
It's just so cool. Their shopping street, like, they have red carpet outside their stores. Like this. So guys, pumasok kami dito sa isa pang church dito. It's a Jubileo Church. Bubulong lang ako kasi. So we are here in Palazzo Bondenti. And this is how it looks like. And this is a museum. Museum Civico Cremasco. Let's take a look here. Ayan, boto bomber si Amore. So this is how it looks like here in the museum. Hindi tayo papasok. Tignan niyo sa uno. Ayan. Nandun. Civico. So,
Palazzo, but it looked like nobody's inside there anymore.
what
Doesn't
is
look
this about who
like it.
used to live there? Ang daming ibon guys lumilipad. At wala man lang katao-tao dito. Ayan. Tinatanong ko si Amore kung anong meron doon. Hindi naman ako sinasagot. Kailangan pumasok ng museum. Wala kami masyadong time ngayon kasi may bisita kami sa bahay mamaya. Kailangan namin bumalik ng bahay within 4 p.m. Look at the birds. Yeah. Yeah. Tatawag din ni Amore. So, ayan. Basahin natin kung ano nakalagay. The elegance of the palace of Baroque Rococo style represented the wealth and the social prestige of the owners begun by Count Niccolo Maria Bondenti. In 1711, the palace was inherited by the counts of Gianni di Gregory, the Grandiose. Structure of the building consists of two main wings connected by a backward central body. The area is enclosed by a wall established in elliptical windows divided by pilasters that end with 4 allegoric sculpture by generosity, wisdom, prosperity, and a woman with a ship for the wool trade by the Bondenti family. So, ayan. Yun yung kung anong meron dito sa palasyo na to. Katabi lang ng museum. So, let's walk, guys. Let's go to some place. Yeah. It looks like Città, the same as, because it's made by the Venetian. These are cobblestones. So, pag may mga ganito ka mga suot, takong-takong, it's, it's not really recommendable. So, you wear something like that, comfy shoes, because here in Europe, most of the streets are made with cobblestones. Look at this. Nobody's around. Looks like the city, I don't know, like Sunday. I don't know. Because it's holiday, maybe. They're still in the mountain. Meron ako nakita may isang tao doon with aso. Nagpapaihi ng aso yata yan. So, ayan. Ito ang city of Crema so far. We'll go somewhere. So now we're here in the piazza, I think. Yeah, it's a square. So there is another Piazza Garibaldi.
Here, and you have the entrance of the city.
There's another like mini Triumph, Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah.
And then another church. What church is this? The last one that we went was like San Giovanni, and this one is hey, tour guide.
Yeah, I'm looking.
Church of, let's see.
You see once we're there, I don't know.
They still have the Christmas thing here, but what I noticed is that they don't have the Christmas market. Well, maybe this is the spot.
Christmas is finished.
Yeah, it's Christmas, but it's still, still until Epifania. They have the gingerbread house here with a reindeer, but it's closed at the moment. They have a small Christmas tree over there, and this is there. There is this, of course, Garibaldi, the monument of Giuseppe Garibaldi, and then that's the Ark. What is the name of the church? Oh, that old man is selling the chestnut. So that's it. That's Crema. Okay, guys. So we're here in Chiesa di San Benedetto, and let's go in. If it's open, we'll see. Filipino yan. May mga Filipino, guys. So, it's closed, so I cannot get in. Binabaybay ang shopping center ng Crema. From the other door, like it's like an arc, and going to the other side. So, ito ang itsura ng kanilang city center. All the shopping street. Wow. They have lots. And that's the church that we went last time. I mean, this morning. And then when we had the aperitivo, that's the place. So, ayan, napadaan lang ako sa isang nail shop. Bumili ako ng fake nails kasi hindi naman ako pwede magpahaba at magpa-nail polish ng permanent. So, fake nails na lang tayo dahil sa work natin. Bawal. And we're here now on the other part. Yeah. Lakad-lakad pa. Ilang minutes pa daw? 5 minutes pa daw, sabi ni Amore. 5 minutes walk.
It's pretty good.
3 minutes na lang pala.
Just
Yeah.
there, you can see from
So guys, this is the church of Chiesa della Santa Trinita. The Trinity Church. Trinity Church. We'll go inside. So guys, galing kami dun sa Chiesa na yon, Trinity Church, and then now ito na yung another porta. So yan, Pupunta naman kami sa Call by My Name. I think it's a wall, like they write everything. I just saw it on TikTok. I just want to see it. Yeah, TikTok is our source of visiting places. Also Google Maps. So here how it looks like the other door. Let's go, More, dove? Ay, just go guys. Nasa kabila pa pala yun. Nasa kabilang pinuntahan namin kanina malapit sa may domo. So babalik tayo. May dumaan na magandang car. Amazing na yung pupuntahan ko. Call by My Name. I think it's this one. It's this one. Okay. So it's all over here. Yeah, until here. I love you, Ti amo, Timothy. Yeah, so this is the end of our vlog for today for Crema and the city for vlog. Mura hindi siya kontento. Ayan, may mga ano din doon nasa sa likod. May mga influencer, may mga teenager na nandun nagpipicture sila. Ayun, hintay ako matapos. Uwian time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like, and share. Para naman maka 1,000 tayo ng ating subscriber.
Thank you, More, for bringing me here.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Even
Another
without your
city,
will.
another love, travel.
Crema.
Crema.